रोज बोले जाने वाली अंग्रेजी वाक्य। इंतजार का फल मीठा होता है। Those who have patience reap great fruits. Those who have patience reap great fruits. कल करे सो आज करे सो अब। Act today only, tomorrow is too late. Act today only, tomorrow is too late. एक बूंद विष बर्तन भर दूध को नष्ट कर देती है। A pot of milk is ruined by a drop of poison. A pot of milk is ruined by a drop of poison. कई हाथ मिलकर काम को आसान कर देते हैं। Many hands make light work. Many hands make light work. काटने से पहले 2 बार नापो। Measure twice, cut once. Measure twice, cut once. सस्ता रोए बार बार, महंगा रोए एक बार। Buy the best and you cry one. Buy the best and you cry one. बंदूक के बल पर जीने वाला बंदूक से ही मरता है। One who lives by the gun dies by the gun. One who lives by the gun dies by the gun. अपने पैरों पर कुल्हाड़ी मारना। Bite the hand that feeds you. Bite the hand that feeds you. जिस थाली में खाते हैं उसमें छेद नहीं करते। Do not bite the hand that feeds you. Do not bite the hand that feeds you. क्या हमें उबले आलू छीलना चाहिए? Should we peel the boiled potatoes? Should we peel the boiled potatoes? कृपया इसे लगातार चलाते रहना। Please stir it constantly. Please stir it constantly. सुनो, आलू मसल दो। Listen, mash the potatoes. Listen, mash the potatoes. क्या आप तवे को आंच से उतार दोगी? Can you remove the pan from the heat? Can you remove the pan from the heat? क्या आप दही जमा दोगी? Would you please curdle the milk? Would you please curdle the milk? रसोई में दूध गर्म कौन कर रहा है? Who is warming up milk in the kitchen? Who is warming up milk in the kitchen? तुम मुझसे क्या क्या काम करवाओगी? What all work will you assign me to do? What all work will you assign me to do? क्या आपको चाय छानना आता है? Do you know how to stain tea? Do you know how to stain tea? तुम वहां किस किस को भेजोगे? Whom all will you send there? Whom all will you send there? ये तो आपका ब्लॉग पोस्ट का कमाल है। This is the magic of your blog post. This is the magic of your blog post. माँ अपने बच्चे को दूध पिला रही थी। Mother was breastfeeding her baby. Mother was breastfeeding her baby. क्या आज तुम नशे में चूर हो? Are you drunk today? Are you drunk today? उसकी आंखें नशीली हैं। Her eyes are intoxicating. Her eyes are intoxicating. तू होता कौन है मुझे समझाने वाला? Who the hell are you to explain to me? Who the hell are you to explain to me? मैं रात भर करवटें बदलता रहा। I kept on tossing throughout the night. I kept on tossing throughout the night. तुम तो दिन भर सोते रहते हो। You go on sleeping all day long. You go on sleeping all day long. घर पर मूवी देखने का एक अपना ही मज़ा है. Watching movies at home has its own charms. Watching movies at home has its own charms. ये रिश्ता मेरे लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखता. This relationship means nothing to me. This relationship means nothing to me. अंग्रेज़ी मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. English means a lot to me. English means a lot to me. मैं तुम्हें एक चुटकी में पिटवा सकता हूँ. Can get you beaten in a jiffy. Can get you beaten in a jiffy. मुझे कुछ हटकर करना पड़ेगा. I will have to do out of the box. I will have to do out of the box. तुम्हें अपने सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए हटकर सोचना पड़ेगा. You must think out of the box to fulfill your dreams. तुम इतना भी बेवकूफ़ नहीं हो जितने दिखते हो. You are not as stupid as you look. You are not as stupid as you look. आज वाकई बहुत गर्मी है. It is indeed very hot today. It is indeed very hot today. तुम वाकई बहुत समझदार हो. You are indeed intelligent. You are indeed intelligent. अभी वक्त है, सोच ले. You still have time, think about it. You still have time, think about it. तुम बेवजह मुसीबत मोल ले रही हो. You are inviting trouble for no reason. You are inviting trouble for no reason. तुम लोग बस यही भाषा समझते हो. This is the only language you people understand. This is the only language you people understand. अगर मुझे पता भी होता तो मैं तुम्हें नहीं बताता. Even if I knew, I wouldn't I tell you. और मैं क्या पढ़ा था? What else could I teach? What else could I teach? और मैं किसे बताता? Who else could I tell? Who else could I tell? बाजार में साथ साथ चलना. Go hand in hand in the market. Go hand in hand in the market. मैं पार्टी करने के मूड में नहीं हूँ. I am in no mood to have a party. I am in no mood to have a party. मेरे हाथ पंखा तक नहीं पहुँच सकते. My hands can't reach up to the fan. My hands can't reach up to the fan. झूठे कहीं के. You are utterly liar. You are utterly liar. पागल कहीं के. You are utterly crazy. या mad. You are utterly crazy या mad. झूठे कहीं के. You are utterly liar. You are utterly liar. पागल कहीं के. You are utterly crazy, mad. You are utterly crazy, mad. तुम ज़्यादा हवा में क्यों उड़ रहे हो? Why are you putting on airs? Why are you putting on airs? आजकल वह ज़्यादा हवा में उड़ रहा है. Nowadays he is putting on airs. Nowadays he is putting on airs. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, क्या तुम कल आ सकते हो? Well, tell me one thing. Can you come tomorrow? Well, tell me one thing. Can you come tomorrow? क्या खाऊं, क्या ना खाऊं? What to eat, what not to eat? What to eat, what not to eat? किससे पूछूं, किससे ना पूछूं? Whom to ask, whom not to ask? Whom to ask, whom not to ask? देखो, इसे जल्दबाजी में मत करो. Don't do it in a hurry. अब शायद ही मैं किसी पर विश्वास करूंगा. I will hardly ever trust anyone now. I will hardly ever trust anyone now. तो क्या तुम उसे मारोगे? So will you beat him? So will you beat him? मुझे पता है तुम बहुत देर लगाओगे. No, you will take too long. No, you will take too long. वह पैसे देने में बहुत देर लगाता है. He takes too long to give money. He takes too long to give money. भगवान जाने अब क्या होगा. God knows what will happen now. God knows what will happen now. क्या यार, मुझे भी यहाँ कहना पड़ेगा. What buddy I have to say here. What buddy I have to say here. तुम जाओ या ना जाओ, मुझे तुमसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Whether you go or not, I have got nothing to do with you. Whether you go or not, I have got nothing to do with you. बहुत बुरा हुआ कि आप वहाँ समय पर पहुँच नहीं पाए. It's too bad that you couldn't reach there on time. It's too bad that you couldn't reach there on time. पता है मैंने उसे बहुत मनाया तब जाकर वह माना. You know what? I persuaded him a lot then. At last I agreed. You know what? I persuaded him a lot then. At last I agreed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget like, share and subscribe.